When it comes to lighting up your patio, lanai, or deck, it can be difficult to know where to start. Here are 6 ideas to get you thinking about how you can turn your daytime sanctuary into a scenic evening space. Number 1, Lanai Lights. Bring your lanai to life with our Lanai Lights. We offer 2 varieties of Lanai lights that are specifically designed to be mounted on your pool cage. The Lusitano Mini Lanai Light is similar to a spotlight and can be used for both uplighting and downlighting. Our brass Lanai light features a frosted PVC lens for more subtle illumination. This light is a great option for when you want more diffused light than our Lusitano Mini Lanai light. Number 2, path lights. If you have a path or walkway leading to your deck or patio, light it up. Placing some path lights along your walkway will give you a more inviting and welcoming feel, while also adding safety and visibility. With a wide variety of path lights from classic to decorative to bollards, we have the perfect option to suit you. Number 3, spot and floodlights. If you have any noteworthy trees, plants, or architectural features, consider adding a spotlight to them. Highlighting these features will make them pop and give you a chance to enjoy them late into the night. If you have any large or wide features to illuminate, such as hedges, walls, or large trees, a floodlight is a great option. Floodlights are similar to spotlights, just with a wider beam of light. 4, Mini-Fixtures. Sometimes spaces can be tight, but that shouldn't stop you from making the most of your space. Volt Mini-Fixtures are perfect for niche applications where a larger fixture would be too cumbersome. The Volt Spark Mini Spotlight is small enough to be installed in a planter without looking out of place and gives off just the right amount of light for this niche application. Number 5, step lights. Sick of tripping on that step? Volt step lights add safety and sophistication by providing a welcoming path of light. We offer a variety of options from heavyweight models to ultra-thin designs that are a breeze to install. Because these lights generally sit recessed into a wall, they're extremely versatile. They can be used in plenty of other applications as well, such as in retaining walls, columns, fire pits, or outdoor kitchens. Click here to learn more about how to install step lights. Number 6, colored bulbs and RGBW fixtures. Want to customize your look with some color? Check out our RGBW fixtures and colored bulbs to give your deck, patio, or lanai a pop of personalization. Our RGBW fixtures feature 16 unique colors, including a 2700K warm white, for when you want to keep that classic look. Our colored bulbs are available in red, green, orange, and blue, so that you can add a distinct touch of color to almost any fixture. We hope we gave you some inspiration on how to enhance your deck, patio, or lanai. If you have any questions about lighting your backyard or lighting in general, feel free to leave us a comment or call us at 813-978-3700. Our lighting experts are on hand 7 days a week. For more inspiration on how to light your backyard, check out this playlist here.